there something incongruous about the fact that when your property is taken by the government for to enhance it in a way that's going to increase its value radically? I take a house, I'm going to put a skyscraper on, I'm going to rezone it. The property owner doesn't get the upside.
Correct.
But here we're debating about how much of the downside they're going to get.
Correct. And I would go as far as to say is that this court has always said the government does get the upside. It's a well-established takings law. The problem that I see here is that even if this is not a takings, if we take it out of the takings context and we put it in the excessive fines, what we have here is a government that says for a very small debt, we are going to take and destroy vast majorities of the equity that's valued at the time that we took title to the property itself. So even if the takings part of this doesn't provide the answer, the excessive fines in particular circumstances where the delta is so high here can provide alternate relief.
And then I do want to understand just a little bit better this principal residence exemption that led to this tax, this $2,200 or whatever it is. You won in front of an ALJ who said that the family doesn't have to pay this.
Correct.
The county then went ahead and assessed it anyway and used that as the basis for this foreclosure.
Correct. So
how did that happen?
I don't think you have a long enough afternoon to explain the story of what happened with here. But the very short version of it is that the PRE credit was determined by, in Michigan, we have a tax tribunal that's determines this.
I've read the briefs. Yep. I got that. I'm just curious, why would the county pursue a $2,200 debt that their own ALJ said wasn't owed to this extreme?
We can't figure that answer out. We don't believe it's due. And the reality is by the time the tax assessor actually informed Mr. Pung that the price was actually, that she had put the PRE credit, had taken it away, that denied it once again, the very limited 35-day window in which a Michigan taxpayer can activate the process of the tribunal to go back again.
After he's already won.
Had already gone.
Yeah.
And so we're in a weird circumstance here where the tax is legally, technically owed, but actually isn't owed in these circumstances. And it's a terrible position to be in for a homeowner who's trying to keep their home.
Yeah, if you want to talk about what's just.
I think it's an important, we've been talking about the equities on the government side. I think the fact that tax isn't owed is a major equity on the property owner side in this circumstance.